Good morning, everyone. We are on the beautiful island of Grand Cayman. We are about to get off in Georgetown. It's very humid here, as you can tell by the camera, but we are going to head up to Cabanas to get a quick bite to eat, and then we're going to head down. Here's my outfit of the day. My sneakers are from Nike. My shorts and tank top are from Lily Pulitzer. Just got my breakfast at Cabanas. Got bagel, eggs, bacon, a ham and cheese croissant, and a chocolate chip muffin. I'm gonna put the eggs and the bacon on the bagel with the cream cheese. I was gonna try find a slice of cheese to make a full sandwich, but I didn't feel like looking, so.
Right.
So we are trying to get off the ship. We were told that everyone that wants to get off meets in the Walt Disney Theater, I believe, or it might be the Buena Vista Theater. But instead of us all waiting on the tender for everyone to get on, they're gonna separate us while we're in the theater, and when a tender arrives, we all just get on in our groups, which is nice. So we're heading there now. So we just got off the tender boat. The tender ride itself was actually shorter than waiting on the tender. The ride was about 5 minutes or less, and we waited on the tender for everyone to board for probably 30 minutes total, so not too bad. We're trying to find what we want to do today. We might take a taxi to Hell, or we might take a taxi to the Pedro St. James Castle. It's like a historic thing here. But there's not very many shops. It's a very odd cruise port. It's not very touristy, so we'll see. So we just exited the cruise port. We're out in the town. I think we're just gonna walk around. People are trying to sell tours. Don't think we're gonna do that. We're gonna stop to get my picture there. But we're gonna see how the day goes.
You guys interested in the beach also?
Huh? Let's go in here. We'll go in here. Lots of cute shirts here. Might have to get myself one. I like this pink one. $30, so. Found a memorial church hall. It's very pretty here. The landscaping's pretty too.
Oh, look, Mama. Baby chicks. Look at baby chicks.
Oh. We found the shopping district. Duty-free shopping. There's a Swarovski here. Here, oh, they have the Disney ones. It's Jessie. There's Jessie and Chip and Dale. Got some Star Wars ones. We found Pandora, so we're gonna go check it out. See if they have any special Grand Cayman charms, because sometimes different countries have special charms.
And it says Cayman Island on it. We also have this one, is the Cayman Island flag on it. And the back of the heart says Cayman Islands.
So we just left Pandora, and I'm so glad I asked one of the ladies if they had a Grand Cayman charm, because they did, and we got one. So I'll show you when we get back to the ship. But it's basically a heart with the Grand Cayman flag in it. So it's super cute, and I'm so glad that I asked, because I know that a lot of these countries have special Pandora charms that you can only get there. 70 years of Her Majesty's reigning. I am hot and not hot. Oh.
Symbol of our national heritage.
Mangroves. There's the sea turtle over there. Sapphire iguana. The Cliff Rock community. Look at this turtle. Baby turtles. We're going the wrong way. Are we? Yeah. Look at this. That's pretty. China.
We also found Guy Harvey's Boathouse Grill a little past the Hard Rock Cafe. And then we have a beautiful view of our ship over there. The Disney Dream. We found a Cayman Island KFC. So you can get your KFC fix while you're on your cruise. We're done in Georgetown, Grand Cayman today. We are getting back on the tender boat to go back to our ship. So we just got back to the room from Georgetown, Grand Cayman. It was a very nice day, just my mom and I today. It was very hot, but we walked around to some of the shops. We went to Pandora, we went to the National Museum, we saw one of the memorial churches, so it was a fun day. We're back on the ship, we're about to go get lunch, but I wanted to show you the charms that we found in Pandora. I always ask whenever we go to another country or cruise ports that have Pandora if they have a Pandora charm for that country, because a lot of them do. So I'm glad I asked, because Grand Cayman does have one and I wanted to show you it. It's the Grand Cayman flag, and it has the British flag on the top, and then on the back it says Cayman Island. So here's the $1 bill that I was able to get. The kind lady from the museum gave it to me. And thank goodness she did, because I wasn't able to get one from the bank. So we're about to go eat lunch. The two places open for lunch right now are, of course, Cabana's Buffet and then the Royal Palace, which is the sit-down restaurant at night, but they do have it open for lunch today. So I think we are going to go to Royal Palace today, just so we can have a sit-down meal after the hot day in Grand Cayman and walking a lot.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello. My chicken Cayman tortilla soup just arrived and it's smelling yummy. So for my appetizer at the Royal Palace lunch today, I ordered the chicken tortilla soup, so let's give it a try. Tortilla soup was delicious. It kind of reminded me of a tomato soup, but with a spice to it. It had black beans, it had tortilla chips. It was very, very good. My mouth is on fire. Our next item coming is a meatloaf recommended by the chef. Our main meal just arrived. We got meatloaf patties, it looks like, some mashed potatoes, steamed carrots, and some green beans. Let's see how it is. So as we can tell, it was scrumptious. Definitely will order that again if it's on the menu. So for dessert, I ordered the warm hazelnut chocolate molten cake, and it came with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So let's give it a taste. Try the ice cream. I think it's like a vanilla bean ice cream. Here's the cake. Looks great. It's delicious.
Oh, yes.
If you've ever been to Chili's, it tastes just like the chocolate molten cake there. Oh, Mackenzie! Almost just lost an elevator. Now we are heading to Disney Cruise Line Trivia, and I'll take you on. Disney Cruise Line Trivia.
Hello. For the trivia, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Group, okay, we're gonna check the correct answers. The winner will win this beautiful ecological blue by Disney Cruise Line bag. So, a round of applause, please. Thank you. Number 8. Each ship has a Walt Disney Theater production based on a Disney feature film. Name all 4 Disney films that inspired these productions. Or 4 points. If you just mentioned 3 points, 2 or 1. Okay?
That one was horrible.
Yeah, we saw that one, right?
That one was not good.
Each Walt Disney Theater production on the Disney Dream. A. Disney's Believe. B. The Golden Mickeys. C.
So we just finished the Disney Cruise Line Trivia. I did better than I thought I did. The questions were very detailed, very specific. One of the questions that I got wrong was what was the hall number of the Disney Magic before it was named. So very detailed questions, but I did better than I thought I did. I think I got 20 out of 25 of them correct. After the trivia, the host announced that they're doing a Disney animation class in the same space, the D Lounge on the Dream. So we decided to stay and give it a shot. They just passed out these papers to help us draw our characters. So I'm going to bring you along to draw with me. Just
Play a
out today
video
we're learning how to
where
draw
you're going to be able to
ducks,
see
so I'm super
the
excited.
50 latest movie releases. It also works. So a little wave here. And then once we have this is I think the hardest part of all the drawing. After this, everything is just lines.
His looks like Donald Duck.
This part as well, the hair and the ribbons, okay? The eyes are gonna be the last thing that we're gonna shake as a
personage, motivated by character instead of situation.
So outfit change for the evening. My sneakers are from Lily Pulitzer, my dress is from Lily Pulitzer, and so is my jean jacket. And this necklace set is from Kendra Scott. Hello everyone, we are on our way to dinner. Tonight we are in Enchanted Garden again. We were there last night, but last night was pirate night, so it's a little bit different. So tonight we are there again. We're getting the whole Enchanted Garden experience, a whole different menu. We're super excited. After that, we're gonna go try to find some more trivia, maybe some more activities. Then at 8:30, our scheduled showtime tonight is actually the new Thor movie. It just came out like 2 days ago, July 9th or something like that, and they have it on the ship ready for us to watch for our specific showtime tonight. So we're super excited about that. Lots going on again tonight, and we're gonna bring you along. So tonight is optional formal night, or they call it optional dress up night. Got pictures out here, we got violinists out here playing, very good. And then up there, I don't know if you can see, it's Goofy dressed up in his formal attire as well.
You can bring it in. My appetizer just got here. I ordered the romaine wedge.
For lunch, Debbie?
Got tomato, and obviously the wedge, and some type of sauce. Looks like maybe 1,000 items. Not sure, but it looks very good. The main course just arrived. I ordered the pork medallions. It looks like it came with potato hash brown, potato pancake of some sort, and I don't know what the sauce is.
Yeah.
But it looks good. Tonight for dessert, I ordered another sundae. Tonight is the brownie sundae. It has chocolate ice cream, whipped cream, hot fudge, and then these peanut butter cake bites. So it looks very, very delicious. So we just finished our dinner in Enchanted Garden. It was absolutely delicious tonight. Now we are going to go do some Disney Tunes trivia in the D Lounge once again. And I'm gonna take you along with me. And hopefully we do better for this one. So I just came to the bathroom really quickly before trivia starts, and look at how cool and like fancy this restroom is. So you come in, it's like a circular bathroom. It's completely circular. And then it has a mirror. It can see the circular shape. It's really cool. So for the Disney Tunes trivia, we actually have a pianist who's going to play the songs for us, and then we'll have to guess what they are. So that's very cool. It's a nice mix-up from having it just played on the stereo. That's the end of our day 3 on the Disney Dream in the Caribbean. If you liked this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!